to a gentle guided mindfulness session, useful for calming your mind, centering your focus, and bringing your awareness back to the present moment. Find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably. Allow your spine to lengthen as if a string were gently lifting the crown of your head. This posture invites openness and wakefulness, helping your breath flow freely. Place your hands palms up on your thighs at the juncture of your abdomen and allow your feet to rest flat on the floor. If you're in pain or feeling tired, you may choose to lie down. Whatever helps you focus and feels kind on your body in this moment. Close your eyes and gently, softly lift your inner gaze to the point between your eyebrows. Or if closing your eyes feels unnatural, just soften your gaze and place your focus on a single point. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And a slow breath out through your mouth. Again, take a deep breath through your nose. And a slow breath out through your mouth. Now, let your breathing find its natural rhythm. Bring your full attention to your breath. There's no need to control it. Just notice it as it is. Feel the cool air entering your nose on the inhale, the soft expansion of your chest and belly. And as you exhale, notice the warmth of your breath leaving your nostrils, the gentle settling of your body. Each inhale is a quiet renewal. Each exhale is a gentle release. Let your breath flow naturally, like waves arriving and retreating on the shore. Now, turn your awareness to your body. Notice the weight of your body resting on the surface beneath you. The stillness in your hands. The grounding sensation of your feet touching the floor. With each breath, feel your body softening as any tension you are holding effortlessly dissolves into space. As you breathe, maybe your shoulders drop slightly. Maybe the space between your eyebrows smooths and becomes heavy. Maybe the muscles in your jaw let go and release, leaving a sensation of weightlessness. There is nothing you need to hold on to. Let it go. Let it go. Simply be here, resting in presence. And if your mind tries to remind you that there are things to do, gently, kindly remind it that you're taking a moment. Everything will get done. Everything is okay. It can relax and be in this moment. Beyond the breath, beyond the body, there is a stillness within you. It has always been here. You don't have to create it. It is a quiet space that exists underneath all movement, like the calm ocean floor that sits beneath the waves. Notice the gaps between each breath. You breathe, but you are not the breath. Notice the gaps between each thought. You think, but you are not your thoughts. This stillness that sits below your breath, below your thoughts, is not something distant. It's not something foreign. It is you. For a moment, allow yourself to sink into this quiet. You are not your breath. You are not your thoughts. You are not your emotions. You are the awareness that notices them, like the sky, watching passing clouds. Now, bring gentle attention to any emotions that may be present. Perhaps there is peace, or perhaps there is restlessness, sadness, or something without a name. Whatever is here, let it be, and just feel it with your full attention. Rather than analyzing the feeling, notice where it lives in your body. Is it a tightness in the chest, a flutter in the stomach, a heaviness in the shoulders? Whatever it is, instead of pushing it away or holding on to it, simply allow it to exist. Breathe into it. When we meet emotions with presence instead of resistance, they move through us. Now, ask yourself, what does it feel like to simply exist? Not as a role, not as a thought, just as awareness. Beneath all labels, beneath all stories, there is something unchanging within you. It is steady, it is whole, it has always been here. Let yourself rest in this awareness just for a brief moment. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose. And let it out through your mouth with a gentle sigh. One more time, in through the nose. And out through the mouth. And relax. Begin to bring gentle movement back to your fingers, your toes, and when you're ready, in your own time, you can slowly open your eyes. Carry this quiet presence with you as you move into your day, or as you now gently drift off to sleep, and know you can return to this guided practice whenever you wish. Thank you for taking some time to rest. You deserve it.